94-year-old retired health inspector shot and killed in St. Anne. Law student killed at St. James Car Wash. Firearm and 6 rounds of ammo seized in Kingston 13 operation. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 94-year-old man was shot and killed at his home in Huntley Crescent, St. Anne. The deceased has been identified as Kenneth Downer, a former public health inspector. Reports are that the senior citizen was at his home in Brownstown on Thursday when a gunman entered the premises and opened fire, hitting Downer several times. The criminal then fled from the location. The elderly man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A female law student was shot and killed at a car wash in Tucker, St. James on Wednesday night. She has been identified as Andrea Anson of retirement in St. James. It is reported that about 7:30 p.m., Hanson was seated at the car wash she operates with her boyfriend along the Tucker Main Road. Minutes later, a vehicle drove up and 2 men armed with handguns alighted and ran over to Hanson. The men opened fire, hitting Hanson, who ran inside her vehicle. She was chased by the men and shot multiple times inside the vehicle. The gunmen escaped in a waiting motor car. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Hanson was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. 1 firearm and 6 rounds of ammunition were found during an operation on Pictura Road, Kingston 13. No one was arrested in connection with the seizure. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that about 11:30 a.m. on Thursday, June 1st, lawmen conducted an operation in the area where a premises was searched. During the search, 138 revolver with 638 cartridges were found along the fence side wrapped in a T-shirt. The weapon was subsequently seized. Investigations are ongoing.